Deep beneath Wieliczka lies a salt mine with underground chapels and sculptures made of pure salt. The mine was opened in the 13th century and is listed as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Malbork Castle is the largest brick castle in the world. It was built in the 13th century by the Teutonic Order. Warsaw was destroyed by about 85 to 90% during the Second World War. The old town was later rebuilt with historical accuracy. In 1791, Poland adopted the first modern constitution in Europe. Only that of the United States was older. Nicolaus Copernicus stated that the Earth revolves around the Sun. His theory changed science forever. Maria Skłodowska-Curie won 2 Nobel Prizes in physics and chemistry. She discovered, among other things, radium and polonium. Frédéric Chopin composed mazurkas and nocturnes inspired by Polish folk music. His heart rests in Warsaw. Wrocław was formerly known as Breslau and underwent a complete population change after 1945. Today, the city is known for its hundreds of dwarf statues. Gdansk was a Hanseatic city where Polish, German and Dutch trade came together. Grain exports to Western Europe made the city wealthy. The main market square of Kraków is one of the largest medieval squares in Europe. The cloth hall served for centuries as a center of international trade. The Masurian Lake District contains more than 2,000 lakes. They were formed after the Ice Age and are connected by canals. The Białowieża forest is the last lowland primeval forest in Europe. The European bison lives here in the wild. The High Tatras have peaks rising above 2,400 meters and glacial lakes. The weather can change there within a few hours. Near Łeba, sand dunes move dozens of meters each year due to the wind. The landscape resembles a European mini-desert. Zakopane is the cultural capital of the mountains. The wooden Zakopane style combines architecture with wood carving. Torun is known for gingerbread and Gothic architecture. Its old town is listed as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. In Poznan, 2 mechanical goats collide every day at 12 o'clock on the town hall. This tradition has existed since the 16th century. Sopot has the longest wooden pier of Europe, measuring over 500 meters. It extends far into the Bay of Gdansk. The Polish national anthem was created when the country did not exist on the map. The lyrics emphasize that the people themselves form Poland. Polish cuisine makes extensive use of fermentation, such as żurek, sauerkraut, and pickled vegetables. This began as a method to preserve food through the winter. Bigos is a stew made of cabbage and meat that is perfected over several days. The flavor becomes more intense with each reheating. Osipek is a protected mountain cheese made from sheep's milk in the Podhale region. The cheese is traditionally smoked over conifer wood. Pierogi come in dozens of varieties, both savory and sweet. They are associated with celebrations and family recipes. Gołąbki are cabbage rolls filled with rice and meat. They show how simple ingredients can have a great effect. The Polish alphabet has 32 letters and includes characters such as A, E, L, and S. Q, V, and X appear only in loanwords. Polish surnames change according to gender. Kowalski is male and Kowalska is female. This is unique in Europe. The Warsaw Metro opened in 1995. The city now has 2 lines that are being expanded. The Polish railway network is among the largest in the European Union. Modern intercity trains connect almost all major cities. Motorways are designated with A and expressways with S. Infrastructure has grown strongly since 2000. Poland's transport sector is one of the largest in Europe. Trucks with Polish license plates travel throughout the entire EU. Gdynia was built from scratch during the interwar period as a modern port city. It gave Poland direct access to the sea. Łódź was a textile metropolis in the 19th century. Today, old factories serve as creative centers and film studios. In the Kraków district of Kazimierz, Jews and Christians lived side by side for centuries. Since the 1990s, it has become a cultural heart full of cafes and synagogues. In the Tatras, mountain huts mark old routes used by shepherds and climbers. Some huts are accessible only on foot. Biebrza National Park is the largest national park of Poland. Vast marshlands attract rare bird species. The Vistula is the longest river of the country. Large sections remain unchanneled and provide unique natural environments. Wycinanki is paper-cut art featuring symmetrical patterns. This tradition is reappearing in modern design. Polish mountain rescuers from TOPR are experts in rescue operations in difficult terrain. They rescue people on skis, on foot, and by helicopter. The Polish men's national volleyball team belongs to the world's elite. World titles in stadiums full of fans are common. Speedway racing attracts tens of thousands of spectators in Poland. Clubs such as Leszno and Torun dominate European competitions. Robert Lewandowski scored 5 goals in 9 minutes in the Bundesliga. He broke dozens of scoring records. The Polish aviation industry supplies parts to Airbus and Boeing. Much of the production is hidden within international supply chains. Chopin's birthplace, Żelazowa Wola, is a museum park. His music plays continuously there among the greenery. Borscht is a red beet soup often eaten at Christmas. The flavor combines sour, sweet, and savory. Polish folklore includes creatures such as the striga and rusałka. They were used to warn children about dangerous places. Zamość is a Renaissance city designed according to Italian ideals. Its geometric center is listed as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Poland produced strong chess players as early as the 19th century. Today, major cities host international tournaments. Warsaw's skyline combines palaces and modern skyscrapers. Many visitors do not expect this contrast. On All Saints' Day, cemeteries transform into seas of candlelight. Families visit graves in large numbers on November 1st. Polish fashion combines folklore with minimalism. Designers present their work in Paris, Milan, and Tokyo. Wrocław experienced a complete population exchange after 1945. German residents left, and Poles from the east arrived. According to legend, a dragon's cave lies beneath Wawel in Krakow. The dragon became the city's mascot. Local markets sell honey, cheeses, and seasonal vegetables from farmers. City residents come here in search of authentic flavors. Poland's coastline is over 500 kilometers long. Beaches, cliffs, and nature reserves lie close to one another. Lublin is a crossroads of Western and Eastern cultures. This is still visible in the Old Town. On Christmas Eve, families traditionally eat 12 meatless dishes. The meal often begins when the first star appears. The Bieszczady Mountains consist of meadows and abandoned villages. For those seeking silence, this is an ideal place. Podlaski features Orthodox churches, mosques, and wooden villages. Its cuisine includes influences from multiple cultures. Student dormitories are known for their party culture. In the evenings, kitchens turn into dance floors. Oświęcim is known worldwide as Auschwitz. The site is now a museum and memorial. Many 19th century railway stations have been restored. They feature glass, brick arches, and wooden ceilings. Shipyard cranes dominate the skyline of Gdańsk and Gdynia. Shipyards build cargo vessels and offshore structures. Poland's IT sector is growing rapidly. Startups in Krakow and Wrocław attract international investors. Solidarity emerged in 1980 at the Gdańsk shipyard. The movement accelerated the end of communism. 3 Polish mathematicians cracked the foundation of the Enigma code. Their knowledge was shared with the Allies in 1939. Films such as Ida and Cold War won international awards. They present restrained stories set against major historical events. Polish animation experimented with clay and paper. This style won awards in Annecy and Cannes. CD Projekt Red created The Witcher and Cyberpunk 2077. The studio became globally known from Warsaw. Techland from Wrocław captured the market with Dying Light. Parkour in a zombie world became a new concept. Solaris supplies electric buses to European cities. Polish technology operates in Berlin, Paris, and Amsterdam. KGHM is a global player in copper and silver. Metals from deep mines are used in electronics and infrastructure. The Polish diaspora includes millions of people. Large communities live in Germany, the United Kingdom, and the United States. Milk bars are inexpensive eateries from the communist era. They serve simple dishes such as pierogi and soups. The wooden churches of southern Poland were built without nails. Some date back to the 15th century. Kolędy, Polish Christmas carols, are widely sung. Families and schools keep this tradition alive. Irina Sendler saved more than 2,000 Jewish children from the Warsaw Ghetto. She provided them with new identity papers and hiding places. The Lajkonik in Krakow is an annual procession featuring a Tatar rider. He symbolically brings good luck to passers-by. Universities in Krakow, Warsaw, and Wrocław attract foreign students. Medicine and IT are especially popular. Polish cuisine uses a remarkable amount of sour flavors. Modern chefs combine tradition with new techniques. Since 2022, approximately 1 million Ukrainians have been living long-term in Poland. Many children attend Polish schools. Ukrainian communities open shops and restaurants. Bilingual signs appear in major cities. Poland disappeared from the map for over a century in the 18th and 19th centuries. Yet the language and identity survived. In the Polish-Lithuanian Commonwealth, nobles elected their king through free elections. The nobility held exceptionally strong political power. In Krakow, the Hedźnow trumpet signal ends abruptly. According to legend, a trumpeter was struck in the middle of the melody. Poland has 17 UNESCO World Heritage Sites. They include historic cities, castles, and unique natural areas. After storms, amber often washes ashore along the Baltic coast. Gdansk is the center of amber craftsmanship. Warsaw became the capital in the 16th century. The move established political power in the center of the country. About 30% of Poland is covered by forest. The share is slowly increasing through planting and protection. Gdansk, Gdynia, and Sopot form the Trójmiasto. Beach, port, and Old Town are located close to one another. Poland is among the largest apple producers in Europe. Apples are exported as fruit and juice. Łazienki Park in Warsaw features palaces, ponds, and peacocks. In summer, open-air Chopin concerts are held. The Polish currency is called the złoty, which means golden. The country has not adopted the euro. Artisanal beekeeping produces honey with protected origin status. Mountain and forest regions are especially well known. Mountain villages in the south have steep roofs to withstand snow. Wood carving decorates balconies and facades. In the 1990s, Poland underwent a rapid market transformation. Industrial regions became service centers. Polish names for months have natural meanings. Listopad, November means falling leaves. In many villages, Easter palms are made. Competitions award the tallest and most beautiful palms. Poland produces large amounts of grain for vodka. Premium brands emphasize local tradition. The Polish parliament consists of the Sejm and the Senate. Laws are reviewed by both chambers. Thank you for watching 100 unbelievable facts about Poland. Did you enjoy this video? Give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Also check out our other videos with 100 facts about other countries and topics. See you in the next video.